Namaste and welcome again to the Pages of India. So, the topic for today is comparative analysis of Aristotle's Poetics and Indian Kavya theory. So, two great literary traditions, two different worlds, Greek and Indian aesthetics. But how do Aristotle's Poetics and Indian Kavya theory compare? And what they can teach us about today's art and literature? Let's quickly find out. So, when we talk about literary theory, two of the most important classical framework come to our mind. Poetics from ancient Greece and Indian Kavya theory from Indian literary tradition. So one talks about the dramatic structure and catharsis, while other enjoys the experiences of Indian aesthetics and Rasa. So now we'll see the differences. Aristotle's Poetics key concepts are mimesis, that is the imitation; catharsis, the emotional purification. The six elements of tragedies are plot, which is the most and the major element, character, then song, diction, spectacle, and thought. Do not forget that. So it has three unities which every play needs to be follow. Okay, needs to follow: time, place, and action. Okay, and one great example which has followed all the three unities and properly structured is Oedipus Rex by Sophocles. It's a classical example. Now we come to Indian Kavya theory. The key concept are ras, which is the aesthetic emotion. Okay, alankar, the figures of speech which we use to decorate the language. So we can say it's a cosmetic features infused in a language to make it more decorative, to make it more interesting. Dhwani is the suggestive meaning, or we can say an indirect speech to make it more aesthetic, or it connects to the audience. Okay, importance of language and poetic beauty. Everything is basically influenced from Natya Shastra. Now we come to the similarities of poetics and Kavya theory. Both focuses on emotional impact on the audience. So both have this emotional understanding which we want, that there should be a connection between the audience and the character. So everything is structured approach to literature, drama, whether it's a Kavya or it's Natya, everything should have a beginning, middle, and end. So, in a proper structured form, emphasis is more on the importance of art in the society. How that art is bringing something moralistic or aesthetic appeal or ethical functioning in the society. Literary devices are very important to enhance the narrative. Okay. Then now we come to the differences between poetics and Kavya theory. Aristotle focuses on tradition, while Kavya has a broader terms. Poetics is structured, where Kavya is aesthetics. Mimesis is more important, major element in poetics, and Rasa becomes the central part in Kavya theory. Aristotle values plot than anything else. Kavya focuses on, again, poetic beauty. Now, the modern examples, we all know Aristotle's Poetics can be seen in the film Joker, wherein there is a tragic hero, there are catharsis, there are different elements which Aristotle has talked about, majorly about the tragedy. Okay, the Kavya theory again in Indian poetry and in the films like Rang De Basanti. So both basically influence global literary criticism. Now we come to the conclusion. While Aristotle's Poetics provides a structured approach to storytelling, to narratives, Indian Kavya theory again enhances the literature with in-depth meaning, aesthetic appeal, essential elements. Okay, both continues to shape our global literary tradition by involving the structured form and again keeping the Rus element in a major form. Thank you.